Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Synchrony. They're looking for a learning innovation leader. It pays up to $200,000 per year. Synchrony is a premier consumer financial services company delivering one of the industry's most complete digitally enabled product suites. Their experience, expertise, and scale encompass a broad spectrum of industries including digital, health and wellness, retail, telecommunications, home, auto, power sports, pet, and more. For employees, their offerings are developed with relationships in mind by supporting the team towards being their best selves in and out of the office and sharing success as they continue to transform Synchrony together. As we've moved into a virtual world, the landscape of training, learning, and development has evolved. Navigating this space in a heavily regulated industry presents a unique set of challenges. Leading a small team of consultants, the VP of Innovation Learning Leader will act as a consultant and strategist responsible for evaluating and optimizing the training organization's technology, content design, and training delivery methodologies. This position is remote, where you have the option to work from home. On occasion, we may request for you to commute to our nearest office for in-person engagement activities such as team meetings, training, and culture events. To ensure the safety of our colleagues and communities, we require employees who come together in person to be fully vaccinated. We're proud to offer you choice and flexibility. Essential responsibilities: identify gaps across the training processes and practices across the learning lifecycle, as well as E2E ownership of special projects. This includes working with TechOps T and PS leadership team to co-create quantifiable value creation plan and learning technology roadmap, lead execution of technology strategy, complex problem solving, solutions development, and external benchmarking. Continuously reevaluating our learning technology roadmap to meet or exceed industry best practices and embrace new innovations or emerging learning technology. Accomplish some quick wins to improve day-to-day employee and agent experience. Implementing maintenance and success measurements of innovation interventions. Closely monitor and report on performance against the plan. Provide strategic direction and day-to-day coaching and enablement to your team. Continuously develop and grow your team's capabilities to solve increasingly complex business and learning problems. Stay on top of industry trends and developments and leverage new and innovative learning technologies and approaches to take Synchrony's agent and frontline manager learning experiences to the next level. Optimize virtual learning outcomes, including new employee onboarding, upskill, and adaptive learning technologies. Perform other duties and/or special projects as assigned. Qualifications, requirements: 8+ years of relevant experience in learning and development, 5+ years in consulting, 5+ years leading and developing virtual teams, demonstrated understanding of call center systems, operations, and practices, experience measuring return on investment of learning impact, exceptional leadership skills, demonstrate servant leadership and inspiring cross-functional leadership, results-oriented and effective in navigating, influencing, and achieving results in a matrix environment, exceptional relationship building, problem solving, and collaboration skills, extensive experience leading the development of innovative and compelling learning experiences in a variety of modern channels, proven analytical skills and problem solving skills related to reviewing information and decisions on how to effectively build subsequent learning strategies. Desired characteristics: experience in the financial services industry, particularly as it relates to operational management and/or training. Experience working in a regulatory sensitive environment plus overall analytical skills. Versed in adult learning styles. Exceptional relationship building, problem solving, and collaboration skills. Proven ability to translate adult learning theory into actionable business learning plans. Excellent communication and influencing skills. An inspiring leader able to motivate at all levels in an organization. Experience developing and delivering digital learning content to a virtual learning base. Experience with measuring and assessing trainer and learner effectiveness across different mediums. Ability to lead and execute strategic initiatives. Proven project management skills. Excellent communication and influencing skills. Eligibility requirements: you must be 18 years or older. You must have a high school diploma or equivalent. You must be willing to take a drug test, submit to a background investigation, and submit fingerprints as part of the onboarding process. You must be able to satisfy the requirements of Section 19 of the Federal Deposit Insurance Act. New hires must have 9 months of continuous service with the company before they are eligible to post on other roles. Once this new hire's time and position requirement is met, the associate will have a minimum of 6 months' time in the position before they can post for future non-exempt roles. Employees, level 8 or greater, must have at least 24 months' time in position before they can post. All internal employees must consistently meet performance expectations and have approval from your manager to post. We ensure all qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, national origin, disability, or veteran status. Reasonable accommodation notice. Federal law requires employers to provide reasonable accommodation to qualified individuals with disabilities. Please tell us if you require a reasonable accommodation to apply for a job or to perform your job. Examples of reasonable accommodation include making a change to the application process or work procedures, providing documents in an alternate format, using a sign language interpreter, or using specialized equipment. The salary range for this position is up to $200,000 annual. Salaries are adjusted according to market in CA and Metro NY, and some positions are bonus eligible. Perks, benefits information. Healthcare coverage starts on day 1 and includes medical, dental, vision, prescription drugs, domestic partner benefits. Healthcare flexible spending accounts and healthcare reimbursement accounts. Work-life benefits, advocacy series, backup care for children, elderly family members, employee assistance program, family planning assistance, financial wellness tools, health and wellness programs, tuition reimbursement, skill certification reimbursement, paid time off, 401 Kelvin savings plan, diversity and inclusion networks.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.